Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. In today's video we will be checking out the Hot Wheels BMW i8 Roadster, and this is number 10 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Roadsters, and number 156 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this one up. This time it's slightly different because it's of course a short card, and basically that's it. Nothing much other changes that there are. And here it is, the BMW i8 Roadster, which is in this metallic gray color, which is yeah, it's not bad until you realized something, which I don't know why they didn't include, but we'll talk about more about that later on. But yeah, here we have the i8 Roadster, which is actually not a new casting. It has been borrowed from the Hot Wheels ID series, which it was the first launch back in Hot Wheels ID, back when it was in orange. It used to be in orange when it was debuted in the Hot Wheels ID series, and then they didn't use the casting for a while up until 2023, and they've basically used the casting for mainline now, which is now released in gray. Just not too bad, and as you can see, yeah, it looks great. And yeah, we're gonna talk about that right now, so let's go ahead and check out the car itself. Here it is, the BMW i8. Let's start from the side. Yeah, the car is basically gray. Blacked out 10-spoke rims, which look good actually, not too bad. Clean side, nothing much on the side basically. You have the charging port, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. It's like a hybrid. Quite a thin looking like door actually. It's not really too big, but still, yeah, pretty interesting. Same rims, of course, same wheel. I'm not sure if this it's the same size or not. It kind of looks like it is, I'm not sure, but yeah, there is the side, nothing much else. Here's where the disappointment comes in. Now the thing is, there's no excuse that they used any other livery besides that, but they didn't include the headlights nor the front grille. I mean, like, why? They included this, but they didn't include the front, which normally they would if there isn't any livery or anything, which I'm not happy of. As you can see, yes, no headlights, no front grille, no, oh yeah, there is a BMW logo. That's basically it, like no other details. You have this front like tiny bumper part right there at the front, plastic. And moving on to the hood, not much details for the hood as well, like the scoop, it's not basically colored or anything. Yeah, it's mainly lack of details of the front part of the car. That's basically it. And yeah, slightly tinted windshield tint, and as you can see, brown interior. Now yeah, it makes it slightly more luxurious, I would say. Tan interior, brown interior makes the car more luxurious. Overall, pretty cool. Now here is the other side, if you are wondering. And yeah, let's move on to the back. Now, yes, they did in fact include the rear lights, so you guys get to see. So here are the rear lights, and reverse lights, basically the license plate. No license plate actually. BMW logo, I don't know what's that, i8 I think. Basically that's it. Yeah, basically that's all for the back. Nothing much else. I don't see any other things at the car, which is slightly sad. So black, no, I mean it's gray and gray base, dark gray base. BMW i8 Roadster 2019 Mattel. Is it 2019? 2018. 2018, sorry. 2018 Mattel, made in Malaysia. Overall, not too bad of casting, basically. Well, sad that it's not like specifically headlight and rear light details are available for the car, which are not. Sadly, it's only the rear light details, which I don't understand why. But yeah, that's basically the only issue with that. It's like a problem with the the car basically. So yeah, basically, well, not really that good. They should have at least like painted the headlights or maybe the grille. That looked very great, but if not, it looks so weird. I mean, like when you look at the front, yeah, you basically don't typically know. Some people don't know what casting it is, even though it's an i8. Nobody knows because there's no like initial for the car. Headlights are not available, rear lights are not available, sadly, which I don't know what is Tel's problem with that, but still. Yeah, there you go. That's my review of the BMW i8 Roadster. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.